Check.
Grand opening.
Yay,
Woo!
it went so well.
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
It was too fun.
we are tired.
And we were blessed.
We are blessed.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Everybody that came out to be with us, I'm knocking her over. We're so tired,
Give
we're
me the
knocking each
shit
other over. Everybody that came out to visit with us today and see the store,
Yes.
thank you so much. We
That's
could
right.
not have gotten this far without your support and your help. And those of you that couldn't be with us, we love you, we miss you,
And we want to show you the store.
So come in.
Come with us. Here we go. I'm going to whack you with the door.
Welcome to our store. It's nice and warm in here.
It is
Why
warm
did it
in
get
here.
so cold? Oh my goodness.
I don't know. It's Texas. It all changes. So
It is.
this is our logo over here, Twisted Grapevines.
And there's our balloons that went everywhere today.
I forgot we didn't tie those.
That's okay. It's fun. I think we brought them in from the...
I think you're right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so over here we have our work tables, and these over here will be when we do our parties. Whoa! And we can pull them.
Easily pull out.
That's right. And so we can see probably up to what, 12, 15?
Oh gosh.
Yeah, more than likely. Yeah.
I
So
would say at least 12.
I think so too. And these are like some of the kits that we offer that you can purchase online, or you can come into the store and we'll teach you how to create these during a class. We also have back here, we have all different attachments and stuff that we can add.
Signs and mesh.
Right. So we have a whole,
I know that was crazy. That's me. Sorry.
We have a ribbon wall over here. That ribbon is available for purchase, but we also have open ribbon that you can purchase by the yard. So if it's something we've used in a live or we've used and it's open, you can purchase
By the
to add
yard.
to add
Add
to
it
your
to your
stuff.
bow
That's
or
right.
whatever you want to win it for. Yeah.
So
Add it to your
anyways,
wreath.
so just kind of take a look around and we can see what we got going on. So over here, our window decorations right here, but here are some of our kits over here too. Yeah, that's Reve. She did all that. Her beautiful tree. And these are some of our kits that we have. Now, these aren't listed on our Etsy store yet, but they're available in store. So, and then our ribbon
A
wall
wall of ribbon.
that Reve's has been built for us. Beautiful. And so, like I said, some of these are the ones that are open. If you're here in person, you can purchase by the yard. It's also available when we get the website up. It will be available online to purchase. We've got different add-ons that you can add, different things, signs and stuff we can add as well. I'm trying to think what else do we have over here. Oh, around here, we have family.
Family.
That's been so supportive of us all day. We've got over here all of our different signs and stuff all over the store. We've got ready-made wreaths. We've got kits up here with the finished product that you can buy finished or you can buy the kit. We've got mesh, more signs, and it's all kind of here. So, and then our back room we have back here. We have our big wall. These are our attachments that we add to wreaths. They're not priced yet, but if you have a wreath party, we'll pull the items we think would look good with your wreath and use them for some add-ons.
And for those of you that make wreaths, we also have mesh and ribbons. So we sell ribbons and we sell mesh as well. And signs.
That's right.
Really, whatever you need.
To make a wreath.
Some sprays.
That's right. Woohoo.
We're getting more in constantly.
And some of our custom attachments that we make, like rag bows and hearts and fake bakes, we've been slowly adding those to the website as well. We've been kind of slow to add those, but
It's been busy.
yeah, a little busy.
Moving into a store.
Yeah.
We're getting ready for opening day.
Painting walls, building tables,
Building things.
just a few things.
Just, staying busy.
That's right.
Staying busy.
So, and then back behind this wall is all of our back stock and everything that we have that we use to make our stuff.
It's terrible back there. We're not going to show you that. If we're being honest. Yeah.
Exactly. So, anyways.
But this is a quick overview of the store, just so you guys can come check us out. And for those of you that couldn't be with us today, but
And when you watch us live, we're over against that ribbon wall. Now you know where we are.
Yes.
When we're here
Give an overview of the store.
That's right.
So we made it through our
That's right.
first day. Woo!
Love you,
We're
girl.
tired. Love you too. Made it. Happy. Excited.
I know.
Live to tell about it.
Let's celebrate.
We should celebrate.
I think we should. We got our family soon.
That's right.
Let's celebrate.
We're waiting to celebrate as well.
Okay.
Thank you guys for being with us. Again, couldn't do it without you. Come see us. Now you know where we're at.
right.
Come visit our store.
That's right.
We'll have fun.
Yep.
Come wreath with us.
That's right.
Bye, guys.
Bye.